Ever heard of hot and cold wallets? No, we're not talking about wallets that literally burn or freeze. But if you don't know how to use them properly, you might just get burned or frozen out of your own crypto. Let's decode these essential tools. A crypto wallet is not like the one in your pocket.
What?
Instead, it's a super secure key that lets you access and protect your digital money. Lose the key? Say bye-bye to your crypto. Hot wallets are like online banking apps. You can access them anywhere, anytime, as long as you're connected to the internet. Super convenient, but here's the catch. Since they're always online, they're also a target for hackers. That's why they're great for daily use, but only for small amounts of crypto. Now, if you're a serious hodler, you might want to store your crypto in a cold wallet. These are not connected to the internet, which makes them a lot safer. A cold wallet could be a special device or even just a piece of paper with 12 or 24 words. Yeah, I know! It's crazy! So which one should you use? Here's the easy rule. Use a hot wallet for small daily transactions. Use a cold wallet for long-term storage and big savings. And most importantly, never share your private key. Not with your friend, your cat, or even your grandma. It's the key to your crypto kingdom. And that's it! Hot wallets are convenient but less secure, perfect for small amounts and daily use. Cold wallets are super secure but less convenient, ideal for your crypto savings. The smart strategy? Use both for the perfect balance of security and convenience. Want to learn more about crypto security? Subscribe to our channel for more crypto lessons. For a deeper dive, check out the full article on our website. And don't forget to take quizzes in the CryptoNanny app to earn rewards while you learn. See you, and bye for now!